Hey Vienna, what are you doing today?
I think I gotta check my schedule, but I should be free.
Wanna go to LA with me?
Oh yeah, of course. So now we're in California.
Let's see what we've been up to.
First stop, we are at the Grove right now. I just got off the plane from New York and now we're going to find something to eat. So we got chicken sandwiches and we got empanadas because we are really hungry. And I keep eating your tater tots.
We're in Hollywood right now. We're heading back to the valley.
As you guys have seen, a lot has already happened today, so Anthony and I wanted to take a moment to head to the scenic spot, which is actually where we hung out the first day we met.
You know, it's kind of dark outside right now, but it looks very pretty with like the clouds, with you know, her. Very pretty. But yeah, you know, it's been a good day so far. It's been very busy.
Wow, I just like love being outside where I can wear a tank top. I just want to take a minute to talk about the fit for today. So I am wearing this vintage FUBU shirt that I was actually gifted from a store called Department of Happiness in Soho. I picked this up before I came here. And then for the pants, I'm wearing a pair of Phillip Lim plaid pants. And I've never really had a pair of pants like these, but they're actually from Rent the Runway, so I just rented them. Like I have an unlimited subscription. And then for the shoes, I'm just wearing my Doc Martens that I always wear. So this is like a travel fit. It's super comfortable since I'm just wearing like a little crop top and these plaid pants. But of course I want to look stylish, you know. So tonight we're seeing all our friends. I haven't seen anyone yet besides Anthony, so we're gonna make s'mores at your house.
Yeah, campfire at cart. All right, see you there. We're here, we have the fire now. It took us a while to build it and we had to get a couple of things before we like, because we're making s'mores, so we had to get a couple of things. Here's that. Now we're just, you know, cringy matching, you know how it goes. But yeah, we're with the boys, we're with Marcus.
Oh, my thumb's stuck.
You guys are gonna burn.
Yeah. We're over the fire. Marcus is here. Shout out to Marcus for holding the light. Chris is here. Chris built the fire.
Okay, give us an update on the fire.
Oh, well, it's been going strong. Look at that.
Oh, okay. Yep. So we have an issue. We are having trouble setting the fire. And I suggested newspaper because that usually helps.
We don't have any newspaper, so
we made our own news. Censor that out because we can't see, but according to the front page of February 28th, Winston is a stupid idiot. Okay, we had to do a quick stop at 7-Eleven because we literally couldn't set the fire, but hopefully this works.
And then Winston is here. So, this fire is looking pretty hot.
You're looking pretty hot.
You're looking hotter. So I think it's about time to just go grab the s'more stuff, you know, inside.
Hey Anthony, can you give me a hand?
Sure can. I got 2 of them.
We have the chocolate and we have the graham crackers.
We forgot the marshmallows!
Did somebody say marshmallow?
Yeah, now we have chocolate.
Graham crackers!
And marshmallows!
It's s'more time!
I don't even know why we're here.
I don't even like s'mores.
Me either!
Yeah.
Doom 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 doom.